So here I have used the order details table, and you got a table here. If you look carefully inside this table, you have the order quantity, that is uh, 30, 50, 22 and so on. It is changing, and the price for each product is this one. It is varying, you can see, but we did not get the complete total. We did not get, or we do not have a total column. So what does the total column include? It should have the order quantity multiplied with the price each, or price of each product. So if you multiply these two, you get your total value. So my requirement is, I want to multiply these two and then sort it by descending order. Why I need to sort it? I want to see what is the maximum value here. So how you can do? Just think for a second. Let me give you example here. So I am taking product, quantity, each price. So if I take a biscuit, if it is 10 quantity, 20 for each, so my total would be obviously 200. But there is no total column in this order details. You can see there is no total column. So I want to introduce this total column. That is my first task. So first task is get total as new column. Second task is sort total in descending order. So I want to see what is the highest total in that column. So these are the two things we have to do. So first I'm going to use select. I'm going to select which column I want. So I want the quantity column, quantity ordered, comma, I want price each from the orders details table. Okay, let me do stepwise. If I execute this, I will be getting these two columns, but I want a new column. So let me put a comma here, and that new column is nothing but multiplication of these two values, that is quantity ordered multiplied by price each. That's it. Let me execute this, and you get a new column that is having quantity ordered into price each. So let me put this in a more code readable. Yeah, this looks good now. You can execute this. Now you can see you got a quantity ordered into price. This is my first requirement. What was my second requirement? I want to sort this column by descending. So what I'll do, I'll give order by, then what is the column name? So column name is this one only, like quantity ordered into price, each price multiplied. This is my column name. You can see in the table, this is my column name. So let me copy this column name, and you just say it as descending, because I want to have the highest value at the beginning. So let me execute this, and now you can see the highest price of the product is 66 quantities, 174 price, that comes around 11,503.14. That is how you can do it.